Welcome back again to our channel, Ambrosia. Today, we are featuring sweet crunchy bread, which is a cool breakfast, and even this is a good snack because the combination of different textures. Let me show you what we need to make this one. I got some sliced bread, Nutella, peanut butter, bananas, some strawberries for garnishing. First, I'm going to cut off the edge of the bread slices. And give this a cut in the middle to get a triangle shape, or you can either cut as a rectangle, even though you can cut bread slices as many shapes as you want, so don't mind. Then apply butter on the surface in each slices. One slide is enough. Meanwhile, don't forget to preheat the toaster. Once the toaster is heated enough, put the bread slices and toast it. You can use pop-up toaster, bread toaster or any toaster. If not, just heat the pan and cook until bread turns golden brown and crunchy. Once the breads are done, take it out from the toaster. Here we can see a couple of bread slices. For one, apply Nutella. To other one, apply peanut butter. Put banana slices in the middle. If you don't like bananas, just use strawberries or some fruits you would like to have. Right now, take two halves and apply Nutella in the middle of the bread. And keep aside, and take another two halves and apply peanut butter. Repeat the same process. Nutella. On the top of the Nutella, apply bread slice and apply peanut butter. On the top of the peanut butter, applied bread slice. Right now, peel off the bananas and slice it up. And then place the banana slices in the middle of the two couple of bread layers, and that's it. Now take the breads to the plate. For garnishing, I'm using some strawberries which can have with the breads at the same time, and it enhances the edibility cause it eye-catchy though. Thank you for watching. If you like us, tell your friend. If not, just kidding. Forget it.